What's going on, guys? Looking at a potential swing trade here, short term, right? PayPal, PYPL, $68.25 is what we're currently trading at. We're up about 2.75% on the day. Now, big reason why I'm looking at this trade. If today is the 20th of June, it's currently 9:18 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What I'm looking at here is if we continue to hold this level and we do close at and over this level, we would be closing over the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, going all the way back here to the last time we gapped below on earnings, which is going all the way back to May the 9th. So just about over a month and a half time here on PayPal that we've been trading below this 50-day moving average here, the 50-day SMA. So you can see here on those earnings, we had the big gap down here. We kind of created a little bit of a floor here, tested this linear regression channel all the way down here at $58. Now, if you're looking at my chart and you're kind of confused as to why I have so many lines on my chart, these lines are very important. They are going to kind of indicate to you where your supply and demand zones are at. Where is your potential supports? Where's your potential resistance at? We need to see what are these levels bouncing off of. The levels that I like to use is those linear regressions. I love to use the 50-day moving averages, the 200s and the 20s. Those are what you're going to want to see, you know, for short-term trades at least. I'm not talking about, you know, PayPal going back up to 100, 200 or whatever. What I'm looking at here is a short-term trade. If potentially we can hold this 50-day moving average here and break into this new channel here over this linear regression, anything tomorrow over 68.50 has room into the $70.60. That would be our next kind of supply zone, that next resistance that I would be looking to target. This week's expirations, again, what we're going to be using as a stop loss is if we do close back under that 50-day moving average. That's one thing that you're going to kind of need to keep on point here. So if we do lose that area and we close back below the 50-day moving average, well, we're going to want to be out of the trade because our next support is going to be down here at the 5-day, which is sitting at around $65 and some change. So not really going to look to, you know, play those levels too much here. But you can see for a first day close over the 50-day moving average is very huge. Look at the last time that we closed over the 50-day moving average. That price closed at around $75.10, opened up on the open all the way and went to $76. So we're talking about a price from $75 all the way up to around $76.30. This was a $1.25 move in a matter of a day. Now it gapped down on earnings. One thing that you need to kind of be aware of, that even though we gap down, anytime you're looking to swing something overnight here, we're looking to sell on any green open or any gap open. Let's kind of go back in the chart and see what we did the last time we closed over the 50-day moving average. Price of around $76 and only ran up to around $76.66. So even that was only a 60-cent move before we kind of dipped down there. But again, if you get the gap up or you get the run up on the open, you're going to want to sell for those profits. The last time we were above the 50-day moving average before that was going all the way back to 414. We closed at a price of around $76.60, and the next day we ran all the way up to 78. So again, you're looking at about a $1.25 move anytime we've closed over the 50-day moving average. Now, it doesn't have to go up a dollar, it doesn't have to do anything. We can gap down tomorrow on some bad news, but what I'm saying is I like the odds closing back over the 50-day moving average. PayPal has been, you know, trading below the 50-day moving average for quite some time. We really have not held being traded over the 50-day moving average going all the way back to around January of 2023. The last time we got above here, we closed at a price of $77 and we had a nice phenomenal run all the way up to 88. So again, that's a 10-point move in a matter of about a month's time, 2 weeks time there on PayPal. So we are yet again trying to work our way off the floor over the 50-day moving average. Again, if you're going to look to wait for some more confirmation, look for a confirmation over today's highs, which is sitting at around $68.50. That's going to have that initial push up to $70.69. If you're currently long in this position, you're going to hold long as we can hold this 50-day moving average. Any close below the 50-day moving average, you're going to want to get out. And again, we're still targeting that $70 price point. Now, anything over $70, the next area that we have to go is $72. If you guys are looking for more trade ideas, you're looking for live technical analysis intraday, make sure to join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys want to learn the strategy, trade with me, and do live trading and get one-on-one coaching, make sure you guys join evolutiontraders.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.